Hi guys, this is Hanson from Fil-Am Brothers, and today we'll be showing you an easy way to cook rice without a measuring cup. Since I am the eldest son, this is the first thing my mom's taught me how to cook, which is rice. My mom has told me that when she was a little girl, this was the very first food she learned how to cook. So we'll go ahead and get started. So before we actually wash it, to measure the water, we use this little mark on your middle finger. You can use either one; it doesn't matter. But this little mark right here. So we go ahead and wash the rice, and then we'll drain it. And we'll drain it, and then once the water's out, we will put some cooking water in it, and we'll measure it. Okay, we have it all drained. Now we have to make sure all the rice is in one piece. So we know we now have the cooking water, so all we have to do is just put it in. Put the cooking water in here. So what we'll do, make sure it's all in one piece, and then we'll make what we'll use. Again, we use this middle mark right here on your middle finger. It doesn't matter which one. You just use this top mark. So what we'll do is just put your finger on top of the rice, so it's a little bit short, so we can add just a little bit more. Then all right, looks like we're good. Now we can what we do is put this in the rice cooker, and it's gonna cook. Okay, so put this in here. Make sure the rice is all in one piece. Okay, and we will plug in the rice cooker, and then we set it to cook, and now it's going to cook. So we will be back when the rice is cooked. Hi guys, we're back, and this is the finished product. And again, make sure you can use either your middle fingers, your left one or right one, doesn't matter. Just measure the way to measure your rice is right above this middle marking on your middle finger. Make sure to use that to measure your water. If it's not up, if it's too short, then you'll know it's too short. If you have too much water, then you'll know you'll have to drain it. That'll be the end. All right, now we're gonna pause it. Pause it. Hey guys, so now we're going to scoop this rice out. So now we'll bring our rice over here, and our Fil-Am to go with the rice is salmon. So salmon always, no matter what any kind of fish goes good with rice. So
That's going to be the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe and like and leave comments on how we can improve ourselves and what our strengths are. And other than that, bye.